At some point in your YouTube journey, you will want to create more than one YouTube channel. Like, you will want to create something totally different from what you are doing in your current channel. And for you to do that, you don't need to create another Google account to create another YouTube channel. So I discovered that some don't know that they can create another YouTube channel with the current Google account they have. Because imagine someone having 5 YouTube channels and creating multiple Google accounts, all in the name of create 5 YouTube channels. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create additional YouTube channels with one Google account. So you can achieve this by going to your YouTube studio on a browser, that is either Chrome or Safari. You can't achieve this with YouTube Studio mobile app. So now what you need to do is just go to your studio on a browser, then you go to settings. Under settings, you go to channel, then you click on advanced settings, and then scroll down. Here you see manage YouTube account. Then you click on manage YouTube account. So it will take you to this website, www.youtube.com/account. So you can even go straight to this page. That is if you already logged on to your Google account. So under here, you will now see add or manage channels. You click on add or manage channels. And then here you can click this to create a new YouTube channel. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have about 7 channels under this Google account that I'm using. So now I want to create a new YouTube channel. So I'll click on create, and then you enter the name of the channel. So here I want to use 𝗟𝗶𝘀𝘁𝗶𝗳𝘆, and then the handle, automatically this handle is available. So many of us don't know that this handle is very, very important, especially if you're intentionally planning for a personal brand. You can also check your current channel's handle. If it is just mixture of characters and figures, all you need to do is just to get a very suitable name, that is a suitable handle name for your channel. So here I have the 𝗟𝗶𝘀𝘁𝗶𝗳𝘆, and the handle is 𝗟𝗶𝘀𝘁𝗁. So the next thing I have to do, I have to select a picture. So I have a picture already. So I'll go take a picture from my device. I'm going to choose this, then just make some adjustments. So this is it, and then I click done. So this is the profile picture for the new channel. Then I'll click create channel. The page will refresh, and automatically you can see it here. This is the new channel that I've created. You can see that no subscribers. So when I click on it, it will not take me to the page of the channel. So some other things I can do, I can create a banner for the channel. I can just click custom channel. So I just want to add the banner as well. Then click continue, and then upload a banner for the channel. So here I have a banner that I've already set here. Then select a banner, then do some little adjustments. I want it to be at the center. So I think this is okay for the banner. Then I'll click done. So after that, now I can add the description of the channel. You can add the description of your channel here, and this is the channel URL. Then you can add the email and every other thing. So this is how to basically create a new channel. Then I'll click publish, and it is done. So if I click on view channel, this is how it looks on the desktop, and this is how it looks on the browser. So this is it. As you can see, I've created a new channel for myself, and I'm planning making content on this channel. So if you want to know more about what I'll be doing on this channel, if you're not yet following me, just hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification. So I'll be doing a lot more than what I'm doing on this channel. So this is how to create a new channel with your same Google account. So you can have as many YouTube channels as you want with one Google account. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.